What's up guys, welcome back to another one. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of the coolest hotel in Owerri. So this coolest hotel I'm talking about is from my own perspective, from my own opinion, what I think. So it's not like in any way a proven fact that these are the coolest hotels. So I'm just sharing you based from my own opinion. And these hotels are not like the most luxurious hotel or the biggest hotels you can see in Owerri. And I choose to share this thing because I love the calm sense of this hotel. Like if you're looking for a place to chill with your family and friends, a place if you're looking for a lonely place to stay, to reflect on yourself, a place also to work, I think this hotel I'm gonna share with you right now today is a nice place to do your thing. And in this video I'm going to be doing this video with Meyiwa Vera. So guys, meet Meyiwa Vera. So guys, the first hotel on my list is the Bonn Hotel Tripod. Bonn Hotel Tripod is located at number 4 Maratha Avenue in New Owerri, Owerri.
Alright, thank you. Whoa. How to take it? You said, do I know how to do it? Yeah, I think you're gonna put I think you're gonna put the lime inside. Oh, you have to take the tequila first, then
test the salt first.
Okay.
Then hold your breath. Pour this in your mouth and swallow it. Then you use the lime
To quench the thirst. Yeah, you're right.
so you don't feel the alcohol.
You're right. We have to cheers, okay? Alright, cheers to good life. What do you think?
Very nice.
Very nice, and your face is not saying it's nice.
I think I'm high on that tequila I had.
You only take 2, right?
I had 2 shots, yeah. Oh, my eyes.
But it's not that strong. I don't feel anything.
It's because you had 1 shot.
1 shot, I should be feeling something. No sign of anything. No sign of.
Tequila.
sign.
See, and this Oibo people just twist it up. Tequila is like our local Oibo.
They-
I wish I can have a buffet party here.
I think they do. They
Yeah,
do.
you can talk about it. Why not? What's the celebration? Shift to one side. It's my birthday. You're seeing it.
Yeah.
It's my birthday on the 22nd of this month, and I've been thinking of going to celebrate my birthday.
You can. I wish I had a picture. Someone had a birthday here last week. Yes. This place was decorated for her. It was her husband's birthday. And we set the buffet.
Yeah,
That was dinner. It's affordable. Our buffet dinner is 6.5 for one person.
for one person.
And
So
we
I
are
can
going to
have
have a very big buffet.
a 15 people buffet party.
Fine.
So guys, we are done from Bonn Hotel Tripod, and right now we are heading to another location, another hotel, to show you guys the coolest place you can spend your Christmas, the coolest place you can hang around at this festive season. I hope you guys have enjoyed the vlog so far. Just stay tuned and So right now I'm in another location. This is City Cruise Hotel. City Cruise Hotel. Actually, I'm just at the entrance, and so far the surroundings are very neat, very sparkling, very chill, very cool. So right now I'm heading to the rooftop bar to show you guys what they have in stock for us. Woo! Really enjoying the time of my life. Man, it's good to be a vlogger. It's good to be a traveler, especially a travel vlogger. You get to see new things, experience, and all that kind of stuff. So this place is very dope, very dope. Woo! I'm loving it. I'm liking it. Very beautiful, very beautiful. And Vera, she's already here. She's already here chilling, doing her thing.
Doing my thing, man.
Yeah.
Have you seen their rooms?
Not yet.
Wow, you need to
Are we
see.
gonna see?
Going
They
to
gave us
see.
access. Oh wow! Like I'm enjoying the time of my life. Oh, it's dope. Oh, it's dope. Can you play that?
Yeah, I enjoy doing one of my hobbies.
You know what? I'm going to give you 5. I will still win you. You heard me, right?
Huh?
I said I'm going to give you 5 balls. Then I'm still gonna win you.
No,
You heard me, right?
you're not going to win me.
I'll give you 5 and I'll win.
You won't win.
You wanna try?
Let's try.
You wanna bet?
I'm not betting, but let's try.
Okay, let's try.
During the weekend, like on Fridays to Sundays, there's always a saxophonist that plays here. So when you come out to your date and all that, you don't get the normal music, you get everything. You get the saxophonist to play
Classic.
for you. Very classic, yeah. And stand right there, it's always without installation. Very
Oh.
cute, nice boy, you know?
Oh, I love the swimming pool, and that swimming pool will complement the whole thing.
Yeah, it's very nice. They have very nice combinations of shots here. And shisha, normal shisha. I just want to dive in the pool. Come on. This is the deeper part. That is so let's go to the room now to show you your comfort.
I'm greeting you. Thank you. Thanks. Okay, so right now, guys, we are the restaurant. I think this is the restaurant, right?
Yeah,
So we want to have our lunch.
the buffet and all that.
Hello, guys. I greet. I'm fine. So, guys, let's see what they got to serve. Let's check out the menu and see what they got to serve. And I hope we're gonna enjoy the meal. And the smell is not also not bad. Very good. I love the smell of this place. I'm already salivating. I feel like I wanna eat more. See the arts on the wall. You know, I love arts on the wall. I love arts on the wall. Like that's the favorite thing I love about architecture. Once you're done building your stuff, just put some arcs on the wall. I love that. Very beautiful.
what their seat looks like. And this is the hello, the seat in the living room, rather. This is the restroom for your guests when you come. And let's go to the bedroom, the most important part of it. As you can see, videos and pictures don't lie. I can lie, but the videos won't lie. Like, see, this is very nice. Comfortable bed, a sofa, very nice, a reading table, air conditioned, bright light, and of course, a very nice restroom to put your shit in it.
To do your business.
This is beautiful. The wardrobe is wide, so wide that I think if I lodge here, I'll be living here. Even my clothes will not. So guys, this is the gym instructor and his name is Emmanuel.
Look, I see your chest.
You know, I don't know how all these things work because if I visit the gym, I'll definitely disappear. Who knows? But this is a very, for the hotel to have this is okay for the people that go to gym and, you know, girls that like to take selfies in the gym. This is very nice. It's a very comfortable place.
As you can see, the glass here. So while gymming, you can as well see people outside, and the people outside will see you. I think it's a very nice concept. And I think we're done from here.
Let's go to the next.
So guys, that's all I have for you guys today, and I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. And as you can see, I hope the hotels you saw were quite pleasing. I think it's a very nice place, you know, to go. I mean, I'm doing this video, it's not like a paid advert. This is something that I find, these hotels are the hotels I find very interesting to, you know, to chill out maybe whenever I'm around in Owerri. And guys, and I would love you guys to please try to follow Mayua Vera. You know, you can check her Instagram. I'm going to link her Instagram handle at the description below, so just check her out, check her page. If you like what she's doing, she's a real entertainer, real vibe cruise. If you like what she's doing, just follow her and support the sister. So guys, I will see you when next I talk to you. Cody, peace out.